Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chrysler 300 key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the replacement quick and easy, ensuring your key fob works perfectly again. To begin, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small notch at the bottom of the fob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing will begin to separate, allowing you to access the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the round CR 2032 battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Take your new CR 2032 battery and ensure the positive side, which usually has text, is facing down as you place it into its designated holder. It should snap securely into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Make sure there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot at the bottom of the fob until you hear a click. Test your key fob to confirm that all buttons are functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.